Make sure we get comfortable and right here. What's going on, guys? My name is Sayasenh. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and then comment below once you've done so. It really helps me out with the YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram algorithm. Guys, I'm here to let you guys know that I am back. I know I've said this before in previous videos and I've ghosted you, but I am back. And the reason why I'm back, and I say that with the utmost confidence, is because for the first time, drum rolls please, for the first time in 2 years since going full-time, full force into my business, I am free from wedding edits, and I am finally able to fulfill my creative desires and needs and go create things for myself. I haven't had time to, just because I've been so invested into my business, and I'm here to let you know that I'm going to be creating some creative content for myself. I'm going to be collaborating with a lot of people here in Seattle. By the way, I moved to Seattle, but we'll get to that in a little bit. I am going to give you some tips, tricks, and advice. I know a lot of people have been messaging me as far as, Will, how do I get started? If you can point me in the right direction, that'd be great. The thing is, guys, I don't really have time to do everything to, kind of hold your hand while learning this photography game and getting into this business, because it's a lot. If you are going to do this as a career, it's a lot more than you think. Then it's a lot more than just taking photos. It's a lot more than just taking a video and editing. It's so much more besides, aside from the fact of you're creating. It's a lot of networking, sales, customer service, things like that, marketing. You have to understand every aspect of your business, and I am here to hopefully help you and guide you in the right direction. So guys, if you want to know anything and how I do things, please comment below, and to see what you guys are interested in, how I do everything as far as bookkeeping, whatever, maybe finding clients, marketing, things like that. I will let you know. I'll make a video of it. So other than that, guys, some topics I know I already want to talk about for my wedding business, as well as, top 5 things you should look for in a videographer, how to work with a photographer, little things like that to provide value for the wedding client. I'll probably do the same thing with if you're a photographer, things like that, maybe how to look for a client. Things that have helped me and provided me value, the things that I have learned the hard way, or that I've invested my personal money into mentors and things like that who have coached me to get to where I am to be successful today. So it's going to be a lot of those videos, but aside from that, I am happy to be back. I'm really nervous to be in front of the camera. Not really. I'm a lot comfortable right now than I was yesterday, because I had a different snippet yesterday that you guys aren't gonna see. Other than that, I had mentioned that I moved to Seattle. I live in Seattle now. I don't live in small town Decorah, Iowa anymore. I had the opportunity to live with family for a little bit until I was able to establish my career here as a business owner. So I took advantage of that. Over the course of the past year, I've been able to fly back and forth to Seattle. If you guys didn't know, my uncle was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer, and unfortunately he's not with us anymore. But over that time, I was able to network with some pretty amazing people, with some of the most creative minds, and man, I can't even explain the hospitality and everything that they've provided me. I really lucked out. Really, it was just direct messages through Instagram, and that kind of really changed my course for living in Seattle. And I mean, the end goal has always been LA. So eventually I want to get to LA. I'm using this as kind of a detour to start my career path. Well, to continue my career path, I should say. Because living in Iowa, it's great. I mean, for some people, I could see myself raising a family there. But as of right now, being that I'm still young, I know 30 isn't really young to some people, but to me, I still feel young. I still have that fire in my heart, in my soul, And I am so far from my goal, and I just want to thrive and to reach and grasp that goal, and to build a legacy for myself, my brand, my family. I took a detour up to Seattle, but eventually I want to get to LA, live out there for a few years, and build my network and my career out there, establish some connections, and then maybe I will move back to Washington. I don't really know. We'll see. I'm just living life, and as it hits me, I'm living life as it hits me, and we'll see from there. But that's all I have to say for right now, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and if anything that I had mentioned interests you, please let me know. Please like, please subscribe, please follow. Again, it really helps me out. Comment below what you guys are looking to see from me, and I will try to provide you with the most value possible. Thank you.
Mama taught me how to act. Hustle hard and never lag. Young and running with the bag. Young and running with the